Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. If you're looking for motivation to help you deep clean, organize and declutter your kitchen, small or huge, this is the video for you. I'm starting off in this corner where I keep my spices. I'm taking everything out, clean the shelves and cabinets which were extremely dirty before I can organize them back. I don't have a pantry, but I have cabinets, so I keep my spices and food in these cabinets, but it's hard to keep them clean, especially if they're white in color. So I have a monthly cleaning routine. I think it helps out a lot. You don't get overwhelmed while cleaning and don't spend so much time when deep cleaning versus if you don't have one. I'm trying to be minimal this year. Even in the kitchen, I'm trying to only have the things that I know I will use. If I'm not going to use something, I better give it away other than leave it here to take space when I know that I will not use it. In this top shelf, I have been putting cutlery and kitchen towels that we use on a daily, but I got a cutlery organizer from Mega Standard Garden City branch. I felt so happy because I have been looking for a while. Now everything is easily recognized, from the forks to the spoons, knives, other than before. The second shelf, I've been keeping cutlery that we don't use on a daily. The kids' rubber band straws. I also found cockroaches, but I want to arrange kitchen towels in here. I got these beauties from Vintage Collections, Jesco Plaza, Wilson Street, ground floor. They have all colors, all sizes in sets, and if you want one, they still have you covered. They are good. The texture is good. They have all kinds of colors. I'll be leaving all the other details in the description below. If you want kitchen towels, beddings, name it, they all have it. They are not the sponsors of this video, but I liked what I got from there, so I thought I would share. If you have a non-partitioned space under the sink like mine, a trolley really works. I divided it into two and put the other half here. It can keep a lot of stuff, as you can see. And I also got an organizer which also keeps most of the things here to keep them organized and easily recognizable in case you're looking for something. You know what? Sometimes I feel like, not sometimes, like most times, I feel like no matter how much you clean, declutter, and organize the kitchen, 2 days later, you will be back to square one. And if you have kids, it even gets worse. So even as adults, I feel like cleaning and organizing the kitchen is a never-ending story. You have to keep doing it over and over. It's not like you clean today and then you'll be cleaning 2 weeks later. You clean it today and 2 days later you're still cleaning the kitchen. I like to also clean the tiles or the walls because they always have dust, dirty hands. The kids are always touching these places. Then I will mop. This is how everything turned out. I feel so good knowing everything in here is clean and where it should be, at least for the next 2 days. I hope you enjoyed this deep clean and organizing of my kitchen. I hope it gave you some sort of motivation and that you will consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. This is my monthly clean and organizing of my kitchen. I would like to know, do you have a cleaning routine for your kitchen? Do you clean randomly? Do you clean whenever you can? Or you clean on a monthly basis like me? Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one, inshallah. Bye.